You may watch my previous video on closing rank if you haven't seen it yet. Moving on to Group 4. First year DNB Ortho will close, followed by DNB Surgery and DNB OBGY, followed by MS ENT. Total seats here is 1256. Applying the same logic as previously, you get 9807 as the closing rank for All India Round 1. So you can expect MS-ENT to close around 9800 and also expect DNB OBGY and surgery to close around 9000. Closing for DNB Ortho might be similar or around 8800 in All India Round 1. In All India Round 2, closing will go much lower, up to 10,700 for MS-ENT and around 10,000 for DNB surgery, OBGY and Ortho. In mop-up, I assume the closing would easily go up to 14,000, 14,000 and beyond that based on your luck. Moving on to Group 5. I initially had included MD Psychiatry in Group 4 thinking that the seats are lower than MS-ENT, but to my surprise the seats are the same. Also, I have included anesthesia in this group as I realize the demand has gone up since the pandemic. So the order of closing would be MD Psychiatry followed by DNB Emergency and Emergency Medicine followed by MD Radiotherapy followed by DNB Opthal and MD Anesthesia. At this point, you can expect many more to repeat as only 10% of the candidates preferred lower clinics as first choice and more would prefer deemed. At this point, you can also expect the open category to reserved category ratio to be near to be around 1:1. Okay, so they become around equal. So the multiplying factor here is taken as 3. Adding up, All India Round 1 closing for MD Anesthesia and DNB Opthal would be around 12,150. MD Psychiatry might be might close much earlier at 10,500 to 11,000 range. For All India Round 2, the closing would lower up to 13,500 for MD Anesthesia and DNB Opthal. And DNB mop-up, the Opthal will definitely go up to 17,000. Moving on to next group. Order of closing would be DNB Psych followed by DNB ENT followed by DNB Anesthesia followed by followed by MD Pathology. So applying the same logic, we get AI R1 closing for MD Pathology around 14,130 and AI R2 closing to be around 16,000. It would be much lower. Also All India Round 2 closing for DNB Psych would be around 13,500, DNB ENT would be around 14,000 and Anesthesia would be around 15,500 to 16,000. I'm sure that most people would be repeating, more would prefer deemed, so I think the closing would easily go up to 18,000 or 19,000 for MD Pathology, but to be safe, expect the closing to be earlier. And in DNB mop-up, you can expect Psych to go up to 18,000, ENT up to 20 and Anesthesia up to 22,000. Last year there were around 6,500 seats for unreserved and around 1,800 DNB seats for unreserved. Total was around 8,300. This year there's 3,600 MDMS diploma seats for unreserved and I am expecting around 3,000 to 3,500 DNB seats for unreserved. The total would be 6,600 to 7,100, which is still much lower than last year. So I've taken the lower end of the seats for prediction purpose. Anyways, you should be expecting negative shift in all of the MDMS branches. MD, Medicine, Radio and Derma would be the worst hit, while the closing rank of other branches may be compensated by the combined counselling. Secondly, I may have underestimated the DNB seats available for UR in my prediction video, and I may have overestimated the demand for DNB based on the polls seen. So the closing probably isn't as low as I have predicted for DNB especially. And other factors that would change the cutoff rank would be the Supreme Court verdict, number of repeaters, and most importantly, the number of increased seats. All the best.